Okay guys, we're back at Dulles again. You guys ever wondered how your plane gets towed out from the gate or pushed back from the gate and put you in the taxiway? Well, this is the tool that does that. This is called a Towbar. Right here, it goes to the Towbar machine, or as we call it, the pushback tractor. Pictured here, okay? It's just a big old tractor with enough torque to push you back. All right? This is the Towbar, which grabs the nose gear, the nose wheel, in the front. And this gets connected, and you're all good to go. You're all locked in, okay? This particular one is rated for a 737. It's actually also rated for an Airbus, okay? So that's it, guys. This is called a Towbar.